Even though summer is coming to an end, ice cream never goes out of season.
We love the ice cream.
Though the fresh produce is popular, the homemade ice cream is what keeps people coming back, and each scoop starts with dairy products directly from the Fresno State Creamery.
Ice cream is an absolute staple at Fresno State. We have an ice cream counter here if you wanted to get some. We have so many different flavors that we make on campus, and we also have some ice cream that you can take home as well.
Students are involved in every step at the Gibson Market. From mixing at the creamery to being scooped into a cone, students are learning hands-on.
So at the Gibson Market, all of our employees here are students, and it is student ran, and all the products that we do get do come from other students who are involved with our agriculture.
The market rotates flavors with some featured seasonally, like pumpkin. The Gibson Market is giving its community a taste of the valley, and longtime customer Kathy Siggers shares some of her favorites.
Oh, I've tried a lot of them. I'm taking home pumpkin and pistachio. So, and you know, I'm always a sucker for old school stuff like chocolate mint, so.
I was able to try a few flavors here myself, and I have to say they're pretty good. So if you like ice cream and you're here on campus, this is something that you may not know about. Check it out.
From learning to scooping, the Fresno State Gibson Market has it. I'm Rylie Bottimore, Fresno State Focus.